Welcome back to Motor Masters, the ultimate destination where performance meets passion and where we bring you the hottest cars from around the world. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and emotionally stirring machines ever built, the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. Crafted as a love letter to Italian automotive heritage, the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione is a rare blend of timeless design, thrilling performance, and exotic soul. Introduced as a limited production model in 2007, the 8C Competizione was built to showcase Alfa Romeo's return to pure performance engineering and emotional driving pleasure. With only 500 units produced worldwide, it's as exclusive as it is beautiful. The 8C Competizione is powered by a Ferrari-Maserati-derived 4.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, pushing out a heart-pounding 450 horsepower and 470 nanometers of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automated manual transaxle gearbox with paddle shifters, it rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.2 seconds and hits a top speed of over 290 km/h. The soundtrack is pure symphony, a raw, aggressive growl that gets your blood racing and your heart pounding with every rev. Design-wise, the 8C is a true masterpiece. Its curves are sculpted like a work of art, inspired by Alfa's classic racing cars from the 1950s and 60s. The long hood, short rear deck, and signature Scudetto grille all scream Italian flair. The carbon fiber body not only enhances performance but adds to the car's lightness and precision. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused, dressed in premium leather and carbon fiber, blending performance with elegance in true Alfa style. The handling of the 8C is razor-sharp. The rear-wheel drive setup, balanced weight distribution, and double wishbone suspension on all four corners ensure it stays glued to the road, offering a driving experience that's both thrilling and confidence-inspiring. It's not just fast in a straight line, it dances through corners with grace and aggression. But more than just numbers and performance, the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione is a car built with soul. It's not about dominating lap times, it's about the emotion it stirs in your chest, the goosebumps when you hear it roar, and the head turns it commands wherever it goes. It's a rolling piece of Italian art that represents the very essence of Alfa Romeo passion, beauty, and performance. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 8C is a unicorn. With its limited production and jaw-dropping presence, it has already cemented itself as a future classic. Whether parked in a private showroom or carving through mountain roads, the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione is a legend that reminds us why we fall in love with cars in the first place. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more thrilling reviews, rare cars, and the machines that make your heart race. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic automotive content.